Hi, this is Nick Cantrell. This is a demonstration of some of the cool things you can do with Google Cloud Platform. I ended up uploading a website I'd been working on for a while using one of their one-click deployments. So this is a LAMP stack running on Google Cloud Platform right now. It's pretty easy to redirect a URL that we reserve through a name server to an IP address like this. So right now I don't have a top-level domain, but so this was created for an autonomous vehicle competition run by the AUVSI Foundation. It's a simulator of the 2015 competition, and it also allows you to generate training data to be used for training artificial neural networks. Controls are pretty simple. Mouse position on the screen determines yaw, and then also up and down, whether or not you're diving or going back to the surface. The V button on the keyboard controls the visibility. So if you want to make the job harder for the neural network, you just tap the V button and you can either randomize the visibility, or there's also a drop down controller over here that allows you to do that with little slider bars. Um, there's a lot of other little parameters here, controlling things like your position in the environment, angular rotation, and then also some buttons to teleport to different areas of the pool. I think K, L, and J are the buttons for that. It's been a long time. Um, but the most important button for most people is the shift key, because I get kind of impatient. When it's accurately simulating um, the viscosity to water, it moves kind of slow. So when I'm trying to do a demo, I'll typically hit the shift key, and you can see how that causes the look speed, the movement speed to jump. So we're going to go ahead and hide this. And let's go ahead and navigate the course a little bit. So W key controls forward motion, A key moves side, D key moves to the side, and then S key moves backwards. Pretty much standard first-person shooter controls. And then as you're navigating the environment, when you actually accomplish objectives, it'll go ahead and send you a little bell notification to let you know that you've done the specific mission from the competition. And what makes this tool really useful, other than helping computer vision programmers capture synthetic images that can be used for doing unit tests of their autonomy code, is once this application is fully loaded, the screen's going to freeze twice because these geometry files are pretty big. But once those are buffered and the screen has stopped rendering and kind of seized up twice, if you hit the R key, is what's going to happen is anytime you move the mouse cursor or press any of those keyboard keys, it's going to actually download the forward-looking camera, which is this camera here, the downward camera, which is this camera here. It's going to save those as .csv files. And then it's also going to save a labels.csv file. And the file names will be synchronized. So you can actually record for every image what the human input was. So as a human pilot navigates the environment, you're actually saving training data to train our artificial neural networks. So I'll go ahead and hit the R key now, and it's going to start spamming my downloads folder with downloads. So all right, and now I start moving the mouse and moving the keyboard, and it starts saving the files. So this can be used to actually train an artificial neural network to make similar decisions to what a human being would do with the same visual information. And yeah, so that's the application, called it SimBox. It's what we worked on for both the 2016 and 2017 Robosub competition, and this is all online at nickcantrell.me or cantrend.github.io. And currently I'm hosting it on Google Cloud Platform. So, yep.